you're in line at Panda Express or some Chinese restaurant, and then you look at your wallet and you find out that you don't have enough money for the family, and so you're thinking, oh man, I can't afford to pay for the family. So you go back home and you say, oh, I still feel like eating Chinese food, and so you have some ingredients at home that you can use. So you have rice, you'll have rice, and you just need about a cup of rice, and green pepper, 1 quart of the green pepper, a quarter cup of onion, 1 stem of green onion, and a clove of garlic. You'll also need a carrot, some celery, and 2 eggs, and soy sauce, and some knives. And so what you start off with first is you're going to want to boil your rice. You're going to want 1 cup of rice and 2 cups of water. You're going to put that first so that you'll have enough time to make the rest of your things. And so by the time you've added the rice, the rice will be done, and you'll be doing it. You'll just add it in. And first you'll start off with eggs. You're gonna crack the eggs and mix it with a teaspoon of soy sauce. And then after that you will make your onion into dice. And so what you do is cut the end of the onion off, so that this is the garbage part. You take the layers that are sort of soggy off, and then you make them into dice. And there's also another type of cut that's called the julienne, and julienne is a long cut. And so once you have a julienne, you can cut them into small pieces so that it's now diced like that. And then so you'll cut that up, and then you'll have it diced, and then you'll also get 1 clove of garlic, and there's a special way to remove a peel off of the garlic, which is put the garlic there and then get the knife and then just press on it, and the peel should come right off. But sometimes this is really soggy, so it'll just come right off. And then after that, you'll want to take off the ends of the garlic off, so that because that's the bad part. And then it's called mincing, which mince means make this into really small pieces, and so that you won't have garlic, you won't be biting into the garlic. And then you put your garlic and your onion on the skillet, and you put oil in there too, so that the egg does not stick to the pan. And then once it's sweating means so that it doesn't turn brown, but it's still cooked. You put that in there, and then once your egg is ready, you put it on the side. After that, you're going to peel the carrot. You could either peel it or just wash it. The way that I peel it with a knife would be just to get just the skin off, and then that's garbage. And then after that, you would cut it into dice also. And then after that, you're going to want to cut your celery. And for the celery, you just want to cut the stem off, the 2 parts off, so that you have it like this. And then after that, you wash it, and then you make it into dice also. And then you put that aside, and get your green pepper, and you get this off first, and then maybe make it into pieces so that it's easier to cut, and then you would cut it in half, and then make it dice also. Then you put that to cook, put it on the pan to saute, and then you would put the green pepper, you put on the same pan that you used to cook the egg. You put the green pepper, the celery, and then you put that in to cook for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then after that you add in the rice and then you just wait for it to cook a little bit. Then you put 2 tablespoons of soy sauce so that it adds some color and so it sticks to the rice. After that you would put the carrots and the green onion. And the green onion you would just take this part off, and then we'll have it like this. It is longer, but I just cut that off too, so that it will be faster. You'll take the skin off of it, like that. And then you would cut this into dice also. And
we've got about 2 minutes of class left, just so you know. Okay?
You'll put all of it in there, and once you'll let it cook with the soy sauce for about 2 to 5 minutes, and then you will end up with rice looking like this.
Conclusion?
Huh?
Do you have a conclusion?
Oh, so now that you do not have if you don't have enough money for the Chinese restaurant or the Panda Express, you can now just make it at home, and you'll pay less for more.
Okay, thank you. All righty, so I think